see how we can do a little programming calculator. So this is also like, those are like examples from the core documentation of Python. So in here we can see we can calculate 2 plus 2, like just write it in here and you will have 4. You can calculate 50 minus 5 times 6 minus 36, and you have 30 minus 30, and you will have 20. You will have 20 by 4, and this will be 5. And here you can see, for example, that this returns that kind of floating number we were talking about. So here we go into it. It's the division, it always return a floating point number, which is really important in programming sphere. There is a difference between floating point and integer, normal integer. So this would be a normal integer, and this will be a floating point number. Next will be like this is a classic division, as we said, and here we have the floor division. If you can remember, it's really also very important. You do it with a double slash. Next will be an operator which is really important. It's the remainder of the division, and it's called the modulo operator. And here, for example, the remainder of division of 17 by 3, it's 2. If you divide 17 by 3, you will have, okay, it's 5, it will be 15, and the remainder of the division of 17 by 3 is 2. So it's 17 minus 15 equal 2. So here you have it, it's like 5 times 3, which is 15, plus 2 equals 17, and this 2 actually is the remainder, and you have it here. It's like the quotient plus the divisor times the divisor plus the remainder. Here we have another operator, so all of those are Python operators. So this is another operator, which is the power. So it's like 5 power 2 equal 25, and 2 power 7 is 128. Now we can go forward, as we have seen before, with those variables. We can plug this value in the variable width, and plug this this operation in the variable height, and we will have something like this. 9 is 45 times 20 is 900, and we multiply with height. Here, let's try to access an undefined variable. So we'll have an error. So the error here says, okay, m is not defined. Next forward, we will, if we make an operation with a float, we will have a float even without division. But this float number or floating point number makes the whole operation goes floating point. Here we can do a little operation with tax. Tax is like 12%. The price is this one. So the price with the tax on the price is 12 dots blah blah blah. And here there is a very nice operator, or let's say functionality in Python. It's this underscore. So this underscore is the last let's say the last value stored in Python. So price plus the tax. So here we have the tax is 113, and also if for example this is the last entry, it's 14, so it will be not 13 but more like 14. So this is also to be remembered or known. Also we can round this last price here, can round it to two numbers after the dot.